Have you ever felt that sudden shift? 1 minute she's warm, texting you back fast, laughing at your jokes, and the next she's cold, distant, and completely silent. Suddenly you're left confused, replaying every little moment in your head. Did I mess something up? Is she talking to someone else? Does she even care anymore? Here's the truth: when a woman pulls away and goes quiet, most men react the wrong way, and that mistake is exactly how they lose her. But what if I told you there's a calm, confident way to respond? A way that protects your self-respect and makes her rethink everything she's doing. Stay with me until the end, because I'll share a mindset shift that can change the way you deal with all women from now on. Let's get into it. When a woman starts to distance herself, it's not always about you. Sometimes it's a test. Sometimes she's confused. Sometimes her emotions are a mess. But the way you respond is what determines everything. This video is for every man who's ever been ghosted, ignored, or left wondering what the hell just happened. Today, we're breaking down 4 powerful steps rooted in female psychology that flip the script and put the power back in your hands. And if you stay until the end, I'll share a mindset that makes you emotionally untouchable and naturally magnetic to women. Step 1. Do not chase her. Silence is power. Have you ever chased someone who was pulling away only to watch them run even faster? Yeah, we've all been there. When a woman steps back and you rush in with texts, calls, or emotional talk to me, messages, you're feeding her ego, not her attraction. Chasing destroys mystery, and mystery creates attraction. Here's the psychology. When she pulls away, she's usually unsure of how she feels. When you chase, you confirm her doubts. But when you stay silent, she has to deal with her own emotions. Let your silence send the message: I don't beg for attention, I attract it. Worried she might slip away completely. Step 2. Focus on self-control, not damage. Control. It's tempting to fix everything. You want answers. You want clarity, you want closure. But emotional control is not about fixing anything. It's about holding your ground. When she goes silent, your mind goes into panic mode. That's when most men send the desperate, "Did I do something wrong?" Huge mistake. Real strength is choosing not to react emotionally. Instead, pour that energy into your routine, your goals, your workouts, your plans, your friends. Because the moment she notices you're stable without her, she starts second-guessing her decision. Remember, your peace should never depend on her attention. So how do you shift her perception without saying a word? Step 3. Use the law of reverse attention. Here's a powerful truth. People notice what you take away. When you stop giving her your energy, your presence becomes rare, and rare things feel valuable. Women are intuitive. When your focus turns inward instead of toward her, she feels the difference even if she hides it. Suddenly she's thinking, why isn't he texting? Did he move on? Was he always this strong? By pulling your energy back, you take yourself out of her control and you put yourself in her mind. But energy alone isn't enough. Your next move decides whether you stay high value or get pushed into the friend zone. Step 4. Reinvent yourself in her absence. This part isn't really about her, it's about you. When she disappears or pulls away, don't waste the time waiting around. Use that space to upgrade yourself. Your look, your lifestyle, your goals, your mindset. Because nothing makes a woman rethink her decision faster than watching the man she left behind become better than ever. Before you go, hit subscribe and check out this short video, especially if you want more insights that make you stronger, calmer, and more attractive to women.